2019 Dodge Ram half-ton pickup truck. This is their all-new look, their all-new platform, and the next evolution in the Dodge Ram pickup truck family. Made a video recently on the new Silverado, and a lot of people said they would prefer the Dodge. I have now seen them both in person, touched them both in person, and I don't think this Dodge has absolutely anything on the Chevy. I don't like it. It's very feminine to me. It's very, I guess, mismatched. It doesn't feel like an overall concept or an overall theme. It feels like they're trying to bulk up certain areas and curve certain areas. It does not feel, I guess, as Dodge as I would have liked. I always found Dodge to be the more aggressive looking pickup truck and have certain elements about it that really set it apart. Now it just looks like they mixed the Toyota, kind of stole a part of the Ford, piece of the Chevy, and then they ended up with this. I don't know. I guess for me, I'm not a Dodge guy to begin with, so to love a Dodge, I have to really dig it. I mean, the new Challengers are great. The Demon is outstanding, and this is not the direction I think they should have taken it. But I've seen it, and I've waited until I've seen it in person to reserve my judgment. All right, I had to get away from those trucks. They were just absolutely killing me, and I had to get near something that hasn't been neutered. I got approached by another automotive journalist for my opinion on the pickup truck, and we both agreed, and he couldn't nail it on the head. And when I said feminine, he fully understood it. It's like masculine Honda Ridgeline, not that brawny American. They still have the Challenger, and amen to that.